1, 2, 3. And then do a turn around, yep, turn around shot, yep, 1, 2. Yep, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do full body. To the side. I'm gonna do a full body like that. Nice pose. 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do a full body, no car. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's so cool. 1, 2, 3. And then slightly turn in a little bit. Yeah. Love that. Nice. Oh yeah, fixing here is good. Oh, let me do a video like that. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Love it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh yeah, sideways. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. And then do a turn around. Yep. Turn around shot. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh yeah, that's so good. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Nice with the wind also so good. 1, 2, 3. And then turn in and then toward the camera. Yep. Love that. One more. 1, 2, 3. And then try the other side. Yep.
The other side?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh yeah, the wind is so cool too. Yep. It's a wavy. Yeah. 1, 2. Let me do a full body shot like that. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's good. 1, 2. Oh yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's good. I like that. Slightly chin up. Yep, perfect. Let me do the full body. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, slightly lean out. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Do a video like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Half body video. One more looking there. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, I slightly tilted. I'm gonna do a high angle photo. High angle photo. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Slightly looking that side and then look at camera. Yep. Nice. Oh yeah. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Nice, love that. Yep, slightly tilted. 1, 2, 3, love it. And then looking slightly, yep. Oh yeah, use one more motion again, yep. One, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's so cool. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, it's slightly looking that side. That's so good. One hot. Yeah. Fixing here, like naturally fixing here is so good. And then slightly looking toward the camera. Yep. Love it. Love it. Yeah, you can do a motion. Yep. Oh, that's so good. Let's do a video like that. Yeah, we can just do it right here. And let me try to shoot up. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's cool. Yep. Yep, couple in front. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Love it. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Half body. Yep. Oh, slightly looking that side is so good too. Oh yeah, let me do a video like that and then look at that side, the video. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3. Yep, love that. 1, 2, 3. Yep, you can do free motion is good. Yep. Oh, couple looking down and look at the camera. Yep, nice. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do a full body. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, do a couple, maybe walk couple steps toward the camera, and I do a couple shot. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. And then couple pose right there. Yep. Oh, that's so cool. Let me do half body shot. One more look at that side. Yep. 1, 2, 3. And then look at camera. Yep. Love it. Oh, that's good. Yep. Couple chin down. 1, 2, 3. And then one more like that. Both hand in front, and then yeah. 1, 2, 3. Love it. One more tilted. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna do one more high angle. Yep. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do full body. Yep, and then you turn around to the other side. Yep. Nice. Yep. Couple shot. Love it. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh, that's so cool. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Yep. You can do couple free motion right there. Yep. Nice. Oh, let me do a video like that. 1, 2, 3, go. Yep. Oh, walking 2 steps toward the camera and then walk back. Yep, couple motion right there. Yep, and then walk back to the spot and then turn around. Yep, that's good. Oh yeah, that's cool. Nice. Love it. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Love it. And then sideways. Yeah. Oh, the same. One more time, same sequence. Turn back. And then. Nice, from this side, and then you can turn the other side also. Yep, love it. Oh, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yep, and then turn it. Oh, that's cool. Half an inch toward this side. Step a little bit. Yeah, okay, good. 1, 2, 3. Half body. Love it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's cool. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, the hair. Oh yeah, couple look at camera. Yep, nice. And then do couple more the other side, and then do the hair one more time, this side. Yep. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Yep. Oh, that's good. Full body. Yep, that's good. Look inside profile and then look at camera. Yep, love it. Oh, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the pedal. Nice. Oh, stare is good. Let me do a half body. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's cool. One more slightly looking up. Yep. And then look at camera. Yep. Nice. Oh yeah. One more with hand. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, the side. Yep. One more. Oh yeah, one more look in the side. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Let me try one video like that. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3, and then look at that side one more. Yep, love it. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do the lower angle. Yep, one more, and then chin up, and then look at the side. Love it. Oh, yep. 1, 2, yeah, couple look at camera. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh yeah, chin up, and then I'm gonna do a high angle. Yep. I'm gonna do a high angle. Yep. 1, 2, 3. And then low angle. This one. Oh, perfect. 1, 2, 3. And then sideways. Yep. To the side. I'm gonna do a full body like that. Yep, full body. 1, 2, 3. Oh, half body, this one. Slightly out a little bit. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Hold up, one more half body. Oh yeah, stare at camera, and then 1, 2, 3. And then look at that side. 1, 2. Oh, that's so good. One more look at that side. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Nice motion. Yep, that's perfect.
picture.